You going by the road, baby?
Falta otro. Me iba a decir, no hay de la
The video. My favorite pizza is
hasta ahí. Bueno, de ahí te devuelves así, le das por debajo. Pobre allá. Déjame ver si consigo una de color.
another thing inside. Mama, the books you used to buy for us. I remember that. I loved eating these as a kid. Ali, what are you doing?
We look like we're in a music video like como te llamas no sigo por la cara con la pula cara pula cara pula cara. We bad. No, we good. We not bad. We good. Hey girl, what's going on? My forehead looking quite chunky. We better put that in.
I don't know what happened. If I see her, stay away from her.
You're way too excited.
I don't know what I ate today. It's giving me like a sugar rush.
That's just that I do. So you have the same thing that I have, that I do.
You have the same thing that
So today on the menú es chuleta de pollo. Este es muy grande de este, pero no sé por qué, pero... Y tengo arepa con queso. Una otra arepa con queso. Y 3 más arepas con queso. Y ya, el menú para la día, para la noche.
Bye. Orly, how does your first Christmas home feel?
Good. Doesn't feel like anything different.
You're not a child anymore, so no big presents, no like...
After you turn like 16, 17, Christmas loses its spirit. But I keep strong. I keep strong.
Ay, nada. Feliz Navidad.
Thank you.
She's busy opening her gift. Everyone else is sleeping, and we're here. Yeah.
Ma, you can do a little bit better with your bag.
Tell one, it's tradition. On the one. That's exactly why you're here. Like it.
För något tror jag något väl.
Oh my Sheila. Hola amiguito. Mi nombre es Inara. Ella es Loli. Ella es Gretchen.
Dímelo, Tony.
come on here and explain what is happening in these videos. So we have a tradition back home where we create a doll and we burn it, and that signifies us burning the old year and welcoming the new year. As a child, I didn't really see this because it was so normal. As I get older, I'm like, why are we burning a doll? But it's tradition, so we honor tradition. And my uncle got so excited and he started putting random items on it, and that's how it ended up being such a nice tradition that we always do.